All right, this review's on this Vevor drill bit sharpener. Now, I've already been playing with this a little while, this drill bit sharpener. The first thing I noticed when I took it out of the box is it's definitely not light. It's very, very well built, seems very heavy, really nice plug on it. Comes with 11 different size cutlets. Now you can put couple different size drill bits in them. They have these all sized out for metric, but you can also sharpen, like if you have all imperial size drill bits. Pretty much all my drill bits are, I live here in the States, so mine are all the imperial size, not metric. Really doesn't matter. You just grab whichever one of these will fit your drill bit the closest. Like I already sharpened this one. Here, I'll show you, not even really watching, what that tip looks like. It comes out awesome. I think it's as sharp, if not sharper, than when it's brand new. I can't believe how good this thing works. And I always, in the past, would just go buy new drill bits. Well, I got every one of my drill bits out here, and now I'm going to resharpen all of them. But let me show you how it works. Like I said, you have 11 different sizes here. See, this is the largest one. It says 12 to 13 millimeter, which that will fit. This is, see, that's going to fit your 1/2 inch size drill bit right there. I don't think I could fit it in this one. No. So you have the cutlets, and then you will have, this is like the chuck that's going to hold the cutlets. Let me just show you how it works. You can change down here. It can change the angle, all your drill bits. The most common size is 118 degrees. So it comes shipped already adjusted to 118 degrees, so I just left it there. Let me try one of these drill bits out. Which one do I need? Like that one. So then you'll take, and now this has some nice weight to it too. Really nice threads on it. Nothing is sloppy on this thing at all. Right? Very impressed. Now I can put that in there. You can stick your drill bit in there. Just lightly. You want that to still move. All right, this wheel right here on the left side, this is where you're going to set your distance on how far the drill bit sticks out the end. So you take this wheel, tighten it up clockwise. You don't got to tighten it up real hard, but just till it stops. And it stops right about there. Now you will see which one you got out. Like I got out right here, there's a 6 and a 7, so that means you can set this wheel right here at right around 6 or 7. There's a little arrow right here. So we'll turn that to, and I'll go on the higher side, 7. Okay? And then you will stick this in here. There you go. Once that goes in flush, turn it all the way clockwise, like that, and it hits. Okay, when that hits, push your drill bit in till it bottoms out, and then you're going to turn that clockwise. So you turn this piece clockwise, hold it there, turn your drill bit clockwise, and you kind of try to hold both of them there, and you tighten it up. It's in there tight. That's how you set that so the depth is out correct. Now, this piece right here spins. And my chuck here has this flat spot here and a flat spot there. That's going to line up with these flat spots here. Okay? So you kind of line that up. Don't put it all the way in. Just put it in a little bit, just like that. You turn the machine on. Now, just going to push it in. You can hear it start grinding. Just lightly go back and forth. It only goes so far. There you go. When it stops grinding, pull out, spin it around, do the other side. All right, that's it. All right, that's how the tip come out. But now I need to kind of put a point on there. I'll show you how we put the point on. That's real easy. Now there's another spot right back here. You're going to line this flat part up with these 2 pins. Just going to put it down in there. Just all you got to do is turn it that little bit and spin it around. Just turn it a little bit till it stops grinding. That's it. That looks good. Now I have to say that is as sharp as a brand new bit. Well, let me try one of my big 1/2-inch ones. Then you'll really be able to see this. Oh yeah, that thing is in rough shape. I can run my finger on there as hard as I want almost, and it won't cut my finger. Need the biggest one I got. In there. There. What number was that? That is number 13. So we're going to open this all the way to 13. Slide that in there. Clockwise. Drill bit all the way in, clockwise. Right there. Snug her up a little bit. Turn the machine on. That thing's in rough shape. See what this does to this bit, 'cause it looks awful. Spin it around. Look at that. Pretty. Oh yeah. All right, see if you can see that one. Now that turns out nice. Now, see what that looks like before the point. Just drop her in there. Spin her around. Just letting the weight of the bit do it. There we go. So you can feel the point on there. Now that's what it looks like after that. That is really, really nice. I don't think I'll have to buy drill bits for a long time. When you want to put this away or kind of just store it, I think I'm just going to leave it sit just like that. Nice little spots up here to store your cutlets. All right, I hope this review helped you out. I 100% recommend this. I think this is going to save me from buying drill bits for a long time. I think out of all the things I've got from Vevor, this right here is definitely the most impressive thing I've ever got so far from them. This thing works awesome. Highly recommend. Thanks for watching.